Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something a lot of you have been asking for, how to get those hollow cheeks. You know, that defined, chiseled look that just screams sculpted. I'm going to break down the basics and give you real tips that anyone can use to get closer to that goal, so stick around. First things first, let's talk about what hollow cheeks actually are. When people talk about hollow cheeks, they're talking about that naturally contoured look, the kind that makes your cheekbones pop and gives your face that lean, angular vibe. It's the complete opposite of puffiness or roundness. And here's the thing, hollow cheeks are mostly about two things: low body fat and prominent cheekbones. So if you're rocking a higher body fat percentage, that's the first place we need to start. Alright, so let's get real. If you want your cheeks to look more defined, you've got to shed some of that facial fat. And the best way to do that? A good old calorie deficit. Now, I'm not saying starve yourself. That's the quickest way to end up miserable and binge later. What I'm talking about is reducing your daily calorie intake just enough to start seeing some changes over time. You know, swapping those sugary snacks for some protein-rich foods or adding in some greens here and there. I know, it sounds cliche, but eating clean can do wonders. Clean proteins, healthy fats, and cutting back on refined sugars are your best friends here. Next up, cardio. If you're not doing any sort of cardio, your body's going to hold on to that extra fat, especially in places like your cheeks. I'm not saying you have to go all in on long distance running or anything crazy. Try high intensity interval training, HIIT. You can do 20 to 30 minutes of quick bursts like sprinting, jump roping, or even cycling. The idea is to get your heart rate up, burn calories, and boost that metabolism. It doesn't take much, but it does take consistency. Remember, consistency is everything here. A few sessions here and there won't cut it. You need to make it part of your lifestyle. Alright, now for the part that you guys have been waiting for. Facial exercises. Yes, they do work, but only when paired with everything else we've been talking about. So, if you've got some extra fat, burning that is priority number one. But these exercises, they're like the icing on the cake. The first exercise I want to show you is called the fish face. Basically, suck in your cheeks and hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then relax. Repeat that for about 10 reps. Looks kind of goofy, right? But trust me, it helps tone and tighten those cheek muscles over time. Another good one is puffing out your cheeks, kind of like you're holding air in your mouth. Move the air from side to side and do this for about a minute at a time. This helps engage different areas of your cheek muscles. Plus, it'll help reduce puffiness as well. And hey, a little bit of self-love while you're in front of the mirror doesn't hurt either. Alright guys, I've got to give it to you straight. Not everyone is going to end up with super hollow cheeks, and that's okay. Genetics play a big role in how your facial structure looks. If you have a naturally round face, you can absolutely improve definition, but it's important to set realistic expectations. Focus on being the healthiest version of yourself, and the rest will follow. Hollow cheeks or not, confidence is what really makes you look good. Work on your health, take care of yourself, and remember, it's all about the long game. So there you have it, my complete guide to getting hollow cheeks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what are you going to start working on first? I love hearing about your journeys. Stay strong, stay focused, and I'll catch you in the next one.